All right, thanks, Lacey. Thanks, Dan. Darby is more of a threat to our state today than it was yesterday. Ramsay Wharton is live at the National Weather Service with more. Hey, Rams.
Hi, guys. Good morning. The most important message that National Weather Service and Central Pacific Hurricane Center officials want you to know is to be prepared. This is the time. Get that hurricane kit ready. Although the impacts may vary and range, you don't want to be caught unprepared. So a couple of the monitors they pulled up for us, we want to remind you, I think these are always the coolest graphics because we're so used to looking at that cone of uncertainty without the winds. But here you can actually see what we're talking about with the bands. And as the system, Tropical Storm Darby, continues to make its latest track, this one shows you in the blue the extent of the impact zone for those tropical storm force winds, again in excess of 40 miles per hour, up to the threshold that takes you into the hurricane level. But so far it's still just holding at a tropical storm conditions. But see how the tracks have brought it closer. So what Dan was talking about earlier, and I'll move it on to another, the bigger screen behind us, but as it tracks and puts us in that uncertainty window of movement, we're definitely going to get the impact. So we're talking about tonight, that building surf, as we mentioned, a high surf advisory likely up for east-facing shores as we get to the 6 to 8 foot, 10 plus potentially by Sunday and Monday. The winds, guys, remember, if a pole comes down or electricity drops out, even as we exceed the 25 mile per hour range, you don't want to be caught without the power problems in your family. So we'll continue to track this, but just be prepared, guys, because we're definitely going to feel something from Tropical Storm Darby. Back to you.
All right, good point. Thank you, Rams. A heat wave